What's going on, everybody? Today I'll be showing you here today how to make the world's best pancakes. This is a very simple recipe which you can use if you are rushing to go to work and need a quick breakfast. This would be a go-to option. So here you can see I have the ingredients. So now I'm going to show you how to make this. Let's get into the video. Okay, so now as you can see, I have 1.5 cup of flour. I have some vanilla essence, some butter, some milk, and you can use any type of milk you want, it's optional. And I'm using some baking powder, and the flour is all-purpose flour. Okay. I'm going to show you how to properly make the world's best pancakes. Okay. First, you're going to want to add the flour. Then I have 1 tablespoon of the vanilla essence, baking powder, I'm going to use, okay, then you're going to want to have half a tablespoon of baking powder. Then you want to go ahead and add your butter. You can go ahead and start mixing in that. Then you're going to want to take your milk, but just before the milk, you're going to want to add an egg. You're going to want to add an egg. Then you want to go to mix that together. Add some of the milk, but not all of it at once. Now, after you have added your milk, you're going to want to get your mixture not too runny but not too thick. Look at this, this is perfect. Look at that. Now you're going to want to move up to your stove. Okay, just before you put your pancake on into the pan, you're going to want to get a piece of butter and mix it around in the pan so that the pancake doesn't stick to the pan. Now you can add your mixture. So to know when the pancake is ready to flip, you're going to want to wait until you see either air bubbles coming up at the top or the edge is getting brown. You can see they're coming together very nicely. Let me know what you guys think. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give this video a like, subscribe, comment down below for video ideas, and if you enjoy, remember to like. As you can see guys, this is the finished product right here. I'm going to add some syrup. Okay, and that is the finished product guys. Very simple recipe, no hassle, no stress, very quick and easy.